Good morning, everybody. My name is Jody. My husband David John and I have a small farm in the panhandle of North Idaho. These are our stories and adventures. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and on with today's adventure. So today I'm going to talk about water dishes for the different types of fowl that we have. With ducks and geese, you have to have a deeper water dish so they can get in and get their nostrils cleaned out for health. It's not necessary for them to bathe, but they do bathe in their water dishes. So I'm going to show you a couple of the different dishes I have and an oops I did on one. So let's check out these water dishes. So these ones here are the rubber feed trays, all-purpose kind of dish. And the one thing nice about them is they are flexible and you can stomp them down to get most of the ice out, and they don't break. I know, there's some snow to play with, snowman. Whoa. Hi, pretty girl. And the other water dish type I have is the plastic mud tubs. This one here, when we were going through that super cold freeze, I went to get it unstuck and completely shattered it. So this one, and these work, you just have to be very ginger with them. Just lightly tap the bottom and the ice sheet just slid right out. So go grab their bucket of water and get this one filled for them. And the mud tubs hold about 5 gallons of water. So I'm gonna go down to the house, grab another bucket of water, and then we'll go over and check out the water dish for the chickens. So this is just a basic water for chickens. Take it apart and show you. The other day when I was out here, because we had it in this insulated box, completely destruct this and show you how we help keep most of the water thawed for these guys. But a mouse had filled the box full of straw, so and as you see, the front part here is thawed where the water drains out, but around the back side it's got ice, and there's ice on the inside. Part of that is just from wind chill. The light bulb can only do so much. So let me get this dumped out. Okay, before we do the water dish, let's take a look at the box itself. So, a little bit of mouse fill in. But we've got 2 stepping stones, a little tray for the light bulb to be on. And then this metal bowl to help just radiate the heat. And in that case, keeping the mouse from filling it and catching the straw on fire. So this water dish, it's this water dish is all plastic, so even though there's some ice in here, I don't really want to bang on it and break it, because kind of hard to find this time of year. It's got this float that helps keep the water flowing through, and then this bottom tray. And it goes in like that. It's got this little nub right here that marries, marries with that hole right there. And then a handy little nut that just ties everything together. Yeah, guys, I'm getting there. So there you've got the basic water dish with the level here. If I keep the drain on this side, it keeps it at the right level for refilling the tray that they drink out of. It holds about 3 gallons of water, which lasts these guys about 2 days. And as far as Shadow goes, she's still in there. Nothing on her eggs. She was off a couple minutes ago and could have swore I heard one of them peeping, but I don't know. So out in the seed shed, it's about 88% humidity. So as you can see, a little more light than normal. Show you what we got going on. We have cut that window open and have added a fan in the window to exhaust some of the moisture out of here, because as you see, that window is just soaking wet. This window over here, not as bad as it has been in the past, and Bella wants in, but we just bump the heater up a little bit and evacuate some of the moisture. But I need to go through and start rotating all those plants to get them under the different lights. So I think I've got a plan of attack on rotating them, because I've got the LED Daylight Deluxe T8 bulbs up high, Black Magic lights, and then the inexpensive lights that I got, and I kind of want to rotate everything underneath all the different lights so they all grow healthy. So I'm going to work everything around the tables this way, so on Sunday the new stuff will go at that end and we'll just continue working for now. So let's start getting some of these trays moved. Rotate down and around. So, got everything kind of moved around under different lights and wound up with space over there for 5 more trays. And on Sunday we did try to get some of the tomatoes transplanted. It's just they're really weren't quite ready, and I did take the landscape fabric off because I noticed that even though they were growing, the germination had slowed down and they weren't really developing roots as fast. But since I took it off, the peppers are really starting to get going. Peppers in the back. This is the one I just planted on Sunday. And more baby peppers. So I think I need to get what I have of the early snowball, at least get those guys transplanted. And I got the early cauliflower, the snowball transplanted. I'm just going to use the red solo cups for these guys since they're just for us, so no sense in wasting the good pots. But hopefully we'll get some cauliflower from them. So here I have a stack of pots with the numbers already on them from last year that we can reuse, but got new pots here. Let's see what we got. Okay, because we ordered several different ones, just trying to see if we can find another one that we like. Because, like on my old pots, we've got these ones, really flimsy. And then we've got these ones, a lot stronger, heavier duty, and we really like these ones. So let's see what we got. Okay. Haha. I think I'll wait for this one, because this is David John stuff for the solar. Not exciting pots, so have to take that back down to the house for him. And we both ordered 2 different pots the other night, so let's see. Okay, so this is just more of the black plastic pots that we're going to use for flower seed sales. So got another brick of them. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Oh yeah. These ones are basically a white version of this terracotta one. We were hoping they were going to be the thicker walled ones because we really like those. They come with some labels and it looks like a little transplanting fork scoop thing and a hole maker. Kind of cool. Might be helpful. So that was a cool bonus on that. scary when the tape is stronger than the cardboard. Oh, this is a present for me that David John bought. It's a cute little moose wind chime. Isn't that pretty? Gonna have to figure out where I want to hang it. And he must have ordered 2, or they accidentally sent 2. Very cool. So, gonna get this stuff organized and put up. Sure, I'll figure out a spot for these wind chimes. So that's where I'm gonna end today's video. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Got a lot done. Got like 6 loads of laundry done. Yeah, I know. I didn't show that on camera, because that's so much fun. We all do that every day. But we got chili made. We explained the differences in the waterers. Got some plants rearranged and got the pots cleaned. So this is where I'm going to end the video. I hope you have a good day and a good week, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. And as a last second side note, with the fan in the window evacuating all the humidity, this morning when we came out it was 88% humidity. Just went down and checked and we're at about 56% humidity. So we do this if we're home. We run the fan during the day at least, trying to keep the humidity down, and then if we're having to work we come up and do an hour in the evening. So that's getting the humidity down so stuff doesn't kind of go moldy with all the humidity. So bye.